Hey everybody, today I'm going to go to Farm Day. It's Saturday morning and I'm going to go to the farmer's market and Farm Day. And as you can see, a lot of cars lining up here, and well, you can see down the way there, a lot of cars lining up, and it's been a beautiful walk here down Great Falls Street, and a lot of beautiful homes. It's a beautiful fall day and I'm very excited to be out and about. It's so very beautiful here in Virginia. Beautiful trees, beautiful homes. Definitely has an old American feel to it, and colonialism, I guess. And it's beautiful. It's a lovely, lovely Saturday day, fall day here in Falls Church. One of my favorite things in the world is trees, our trees. And here are some very beautiful trees. I love what trees represent. They're very grounded, yet at the very top, the wind blows through their leaves very freely and effortlessly.
That's the Celtic way that that's common sense. And things hang down, they tumble on the ground, and let your fangs hang down. And I wish I was a mole in the ground. I wish I was a mole in the ground. I'm a mole in the ground. I'd root that mountain down. Wish I was a mole in the ground.
Yeah, I'm taking it pretty hard to spend out the yard, staring out. I'm staring out the moon. The rooster will be crowing soon. The sky is bright with a cold blue light. We're staring out the moon.
So walking home, I just found this great bike path and walking path and running path. So I hope to get some running shoes soon and take an adventure on this path. That's it for today. God bless. See you later.